Hello, I'm Justine, also known as Just Sold Out. Welcome to my channel. I am a Maryland girl currently living in Philadelphia. My husband and I moved here in June 2020 in the middle of the pandemic. We used to live downtown in Center City, and then we moved out after the first year all the way to our current apartment in the Fairmont area. This area is north of the Art Museum area. Very walkable, but I will say it feels a little bit outside of the downtown area of the city, which has been great. We have a park right in front of us. We have a members only dog park about 2-3 blocks away, a grocery store within about 4 to 5 blocks. We used to have a CVS, but about a month ago it closed down. My husband and I have been in this apartment for about 2 years now, and we are getting ready to move out, so I wanted to film this apartment tour to show you guys this special place in Philadelphia. Currently we live in a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 975 square feet, probably one of the biggest 1-bed, 1-bath apartments in Philadelphia. We both looked at so many different apartment buildings. It wasn't something within budget, but also had a lot of natural lighting. My husband and I love a good corner unit because of the amount of lighting it gets. We also live on the 14th floor, so we get an excellent view. Our building in total, you can live up to the 16th floor, so we're right there on the top, and then we also have a really great rooftop amenity. All right, let's get into my first apartment tour. much for watching. Be sure to follow my vlog series, These 30s, where I take you along my 30s with me. I have a bunch of videos of me living in Philadelphia. Be sure to check those out, and then stay tuned as we get ready to move out of the city and back to the Northern Virginia area. Thank you so much for joining me on this apartment tour. Definitely feel like that we've outgrown the space, and we have definitely outgrown living in a one bed, one bath. We're very excited to move to the DC metropolitan area. Specifically, we are moving to Northern Virginia. We're definitely upgrading, and stay tuned for moving content. Be sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment below sharing what your favorite aspect is in our apartment. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.